Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into how AI will transform, but not replace, professional roles. From automating tasks to augmenting human capabilities, AI is reshaping job roles across the board. We'll explore which jobs are most susceptible to automation, which ones are relatively safe, and the new careers emerging thanks to AI. Stick around, it's going to be interesting. Let's start with jobs facing the highest risk of automation. These are roles that are most vulnerable to being replaced by machines and algorithms. These typically involve repetitive, rule-based tasks that AI can easily replicate, like data entry and telemarketing. These jobs require minimal human intervention and are prime candidates for automation. Administrative support roles, often involving scheduling and filing, are also highly susceptible. These tasks, while essential, are routine and can be efficiently handled by AI systems. In manufacturing, AI is advancing automation in assembly lines and quality control. Robots are increasingly taking over tasks that were once done by human hands, ensuring precision and efficiency. High risk doesn't mean immediate disappearance. Roles will evolve, requiring new skills. Workers will need to adapt and learn to work alongside these new technologies. For example, data entry clerks might transition to data analysts, overseeing AI-processed data. This shift will require a deeper understanding of data and analytical skills. The key takeaway is to prepare for automation by upskilling and focusing on human elements AI can't replicate. Creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence are areas where humans excel. Embrace the change and learn the new tools. By staying ahead of the curve, you can ensure your role remains relevant in an increasingly automated world. Moving on to jobs with a moderate risk of automation. These roles involve a mix of routine tasks and human interaction, like accountants and auditors using AI for data analysis. They can automate repetitive tasks. Paralegals can streamline research with AI, but human oversight is crucial. Legal nuances and complex decision-making still require a human touch. Healthcare technicians benefit from AI diagnostics, but patient care remains human-centric. The empathy and understanding provided by healthcare workers cannot be replaced by machines. Retail workers see automated checkouts, but customer service still relies on human interaction. Adaptability is key. Develop interpersonal skills and embrace AI as a tool. Continuous learning and upskilling are essential in this evolving landscape. Think of it as a collaboration, not a competition. By leveraging AI, professionals can enhance their productivity and focus on more meaningful tasks. Now let's talk about the jobs least likely to be automated, those requiring uniquely human skills like empathy, creativity, and complex decision-making. These roles are essential in our society and often involve a high degree of personal interaction and nuanced understanding. Healthcare professionals rely on their ability to connect with patients and provide personalized care. Their work involves understanding patient needs, offering emotional support, and making critical decisions that can significantly impact lives. Creative professions thrive on originality and innovation, which AI lacks. Artists, designers, and musicians bring unique perspectives and emotional depth to their work, creating pieces that resonate on a human level. Educators shape minds with critical thinking and social-emotional development. They inspire and guide students, adapting their teaching methods to meet individual needs and fostering a love for learning. Managers guide teams and make strategic decisions, relying on human judgment. They navigate complex interpersonal dynamics, motivate their teams, and drive organizational success through effective leadership. These roles highlight the importance of uniquely human qualities that are difficult to replicate with AI. Empathy, intuition, and the ability to understand and respond to complex human emotions are crucial in these professions. The future of work for these professions is about collaboration, not replacement. Embracing technology as a tool to enhance human capabilities will be key, ensuring that these vital roles continue to thrive in an increasingly automated world. Finally, let's explore the exciting new job opportunities emerging thanks to AI. AI trainers and supervisors teach algorithms specific tasks, ensuring accuracy. Data scientists develop and refine AI algorithms, solving complex problems. Ethics and policy experts address bias, privacy, and societal impacts of AI. Healthcare AI specialists develop solutions to improve patient outcomes. The key is to stay informed about emerging trends and actively seek opportunities to acquire relevant skills. The future of work is about embracing the opportunities AI creates. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on the future of work and technology. Understanding how AI will impact different professions is crucial for navigating this changing landscape. Adapting to changes and embracing lifelong learning will be key to success. See you next time.